everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. Today is a Freedom Friday, and thank you so much. Why I call it Freedom Friday? This is why. Monday to Friday, guess what? If you're working 9 to 5, this is the time that you go to work. That's your job. But then Fridays come along, just what? You can come home and work on your own gift. That's why I call it Freedom Friday. All right, so welcome. It is your first time. Thank you so much. Please don't forget, hit that subscribe button because that keep the algorithm keep going, and I like to be able to share that with everybody else. So thank you. If you already subscribed, kudos to you. I really appreciate it. I love you guys when you comment. That just make my day. Please leave me a comment how I can do better. I'm new to this. I'm new to YouTube, but this is my first years, actually a couple months just on the run. So please, I would love to hear from you. Okay, so today I have a really topic that I know maybe all of us are going through it. If you didn't, that's okay. Keep living. But this is the thing, the secret key to overcome procrastination. Anyone? I can say yes. I deal with procrastination. I can confess that. So a couple months ago, it was really a struggle, especially, if you are like me, I am a multitask person. That means I have so much I'm doing at one time. And it's not easy. It's a high road. Okay, if you are a multitask person, I call you, welcome to procrastination. Things happen that you just have to put off a lot of things, but it's not a good thing. Procrastination actually can lead you to a whole lot of things, and I'm about to list them up for you. And also, I'm going to give you the secret how I'm able to manage the situation. I'm now where I need to be yet, but progress every day. All right, so let's dive in. What is procrastination actually in the first place? Procrastination is the action of delaying or postponing things that you want to do. Things that are very important. They are very important. You have them on your list. You want to get them done, but for some reason, I get that tomorrow, I get that today, later on today I will get that, and then the end just go and you don't get them done. For me personally though, this is the thing. I figured out, okay, I can do my list, I can line up everything. When I do that, that means I can go to the list. But guess what? Actually, I will start with tech. I'm not that much of tech person. I'm learning. I'm novice to this, arena. So I will start with tech, and then just what? All day long, nothing is done on my list, except for I'm going to, because it's so difficult. So what I time to do, I will procrastinate about it. Oh, yeah, I don't have a lot of skills, so I get that another time, and find out 2 months pass, that goes still on my list. Are you familiar? If you are someone like me, and then you do something like that, it may be a tech for you, maybe something else. It may be managing, maybe time management, it may be something that a project that you have going that you really needed to get done, but because of a lacking of, either way is a self confidence or self control or whatever it is, you always put it to the back. Okay, today I have the privilege, and I'm gonna share with you a couple tips that I've done, or I started doing a couple months ago, and it really kept me on the track. All right. So according to psychology, I'm gonna take you to another view of psychology, so that makes us just think a little bit more why we really procrastinate. Why is it a part of a human being? So procrastination, actually, according to psychology, can be defined as inability to motivate oneself to complete a task. You see this? You see how the definition went to this round, kind of let you know inability to motivate oneself. So right there that procrastination comes when really we are not motivated to do something, because I know when you are motivated to do something, when it's burning into you, you will get it done. It doesn't matter if it's a late night, you will get it done. So why we start procrastinating? Because sometimes something shifts. There's some line of priority shift. All right. The cause of procrastination can be probably low self-confidence, anxiety, lack of structure. And I've seen this a lot in my own life. I think lack of structure really get me to procrastinate those tasks. Probably I didn't plan them well most of the time, or something came out that was more priority. I think that was, I prioritized. So we're gonna also learn how to prioritize first thing first. Okay, that's the video that I did about how to prioritize. I think I'm gonna reach you that video, and I will share it here because I didn't put it on my YouTube. I just did it on Facebook, which is I think is very powerful. First, the habit also. So procrastination actually can become a habit. It's a habit of delaying important tasks, usually by focusing on less urgent, more enjoyable and easy activity. Like for me, that was my case. I would say, oh, because I won't get the tech one done, easily. So because I have issue with that, so let me do something that I can do first. And then next time something else come on the line. And then you see me in 2 months or 2 weeks, couple weeks in line, that thing's still there for me, that project that I want to work on. So why is our nature to procrastinate? Why or how we end up procrastination? First, it can be also time management. If you are not managing your time, where you will see yourself procrastinate each and every time. Procrastination can lead to stress because you make plans, you have a goal that you want to accomplish, but those goals still there in your list. You didn't get them done. Okay, so, and for example, if you're working for you on a firm or a company, other people are reliable, other people are accountable to you. Other people are waiting for your decision or waiting for your tax. And just what, if you didn't do them, that becomes stressful to you, even to go to work. Have you ever seen yourself like have a project that on your team, you guys talk about, everybody have the role, and then you feel like you didn't, do your role. Just what, when you come to work, it's already anxiety that morning. You don't even want to go to work because you're gonna face your boss. Okay, procrastination. So solution, what can we do? Procrastination, actually, I found this very easy if you just think through and put first thing first. First, I will say plan your day ahead. And I have the habit of doing this for a while now. I will actually literally, you guys know I like to be practical. Like every night before I go to bed, I will write down things that I want to do for next day. That helps a whole lot because it's already been written. So when you wake up in the morning, you don't have wasting your brain again thinking about what I'm going to do today. All right, if I'm going to go exercise, I go exercise. I already have the time, the date, and the time that I'm going to go exercise, the start and the end. So I know exactly I'm following to the pattern, okay? So a do list with the start date and the end date will help a lot. And numbers the audition, like minimize the number of auditions that you make during the day. Like I said before, if you're gonna exercise, write it down so your brain know that in the morning at 7 a.m. you go exercise. But let's say you didn't do that. You wake up, oh, should I go exercise? What I'm gonna wear today? I'm gonna wear this. Actually, I also tend to figure out what I'm gonna wear for the day. Just in case, if I have a rush day, I tend to do that. Not often, but I tend to do that now more often than I used to. Okay, just have that. What kind of tea I'm going to drink. Just have kind of prepared those things right then. I'm going to have them in your mind. It's very beneficial. So that minimize your time, sitting down and trying to figure out, I'm going to do this. Should I? Or what's going to happen? Because every action that we do takes, there is a consequence for every action that we do take every day. So write your plan for tomorrow ahead of time. Okay. Number 3. What number I am? So you write them down. Okay. You write a plan down. That's 2. Number 4. Focus on your one thing that you're gonna do. Take one thing out of your list that you're gonna do. That's what I call priority first. First thing first. Do them. Because even though we have our list, we also need to go back and put those things by the priority. Prioritize them. What come first? What come next? What I'm gonna end my day with. Okay, it helps a lot. Number 5, remove all distraction, from your environment, the area that you work on. Like for me, for example, on my phone, sometimes, Facebook, I turn my Facebook notification on, I turn it off for a while now. I just yesterday turned it back on because I'm waiting for something that I'm waiting for, and I put something else for advertisement I'm waiting for, so I don't want to miss out. But normally I will turn it off when I am working because it helps a lot. And some days I forget. You guys know sometimes when I'm shooting video here, you can hear clank, But I'm trying to create the habit of doing this, and that's something that you can also incorporate into your everyday life. Remove all distraction, TV, or it can be children. Let them know, hey, from 9 to 11, mom gonna be busy working. Okay, that helps a lot. Number 6, reward yourself. I like this one. Reward yourself when you do reach out your goal. Reward yourself when you find out the project that you want to do, you're able to accomplish them. It helps a lot. Also, your mind can able to comprehend that when I finish this, there's a reward waiting for me. It motivates us. It helps us to keep going. Okay. I saved the best for the list. Okay, the last and not the least, which is my ultimate solution. I think Colossians 3:23. When we look on our the Lord Jesus' life, I think God doesn't want to waste time. Everything that He says is like doing now, in the moment, And I think that's where he wants us to live. Even like you looking on the our Father's prayer, he said, "Give us this day our daily bread." God wants us to live momentarily, like right now, do it now. Whatever you think, don't wait tomorrow. You can do it now. All right. So Colossians 3:23 said that whatever you do, work heartily as is you done for the Lord and not for man. I think this scripture right here can help us be very accountable when it comes to, to us getting our goal and our project done. So we know in our mind we are doing, if either way is making bed, is doing breakfast for your children, is getting to school, is working on your office. I mean, we need to think as we are doing it for God. On that way, the reward is internal. The motivation comes from inside to outside. Does that make sense? Instead of us thinking, oh, I'm just working for my boss. No, I'm working for the Lord, because that's what the scripture says. Whatever you do, work it heartily with your whole heart, with your whole mind. Doing that as you knowing you doing for the Lord. Think that I'm doing for the Lord. So I think that will also going to help us, and it helped me a lot, because when I think projects, I'm thinking, okay, what God's going to do, what Jesus will do right now. So that helped a lot. I'm not 100%, like I said before, where I want to be, but I'm better than I used to be. Okay, and I think that's where is essential for us to get better each and every day progress. So do you have goal? There's project that you want to accomplish. There's tasks that your boss giving you in your work, or there's things that in your house that you want to get done today. And I say, set a time, set a date, set the start and the end time, and work on it. And have people wanting to, I do tell someone accountability. Tell someone, say, hey, hold me accountable. This day, 25 or 25th of this month, I'm about to do this, and I want you to hold me accountable. A group of you will remind you, hold you accountable. Have you working on that project yet? How are you doing on your project? How are you doing on your school, on your class, and all of that? Okay, so today you have a procrastination. If it's something that you tend to do all the time, meditate on Colossians 3:23, and I think that will help you. I thank you so much for being here. I pray that the Lord strengthen you in your goal as you are advancing in your life, as you are trying to do better and be better, because we all can. It's possible. We are able. You can do it, okay? Because you have the ability, because there is a potential inside of you. One thing that is in there is faith, okay? And faith is what believe those things that they are not, but you believe it as they are, okay? And just what? They will come to pass. So when you wake up every morning, think, you know what? Today gonna be a productive day. I stop saying busy. Because I know that, probably I've been busy, and it's just like crazy. The enemy use that a lot. Sometimes I'll be busy on nothing. Busy on nothing, zero, null, okay? So I start saying the word be just what? Productive. And that's a good word. So tell yourself, today is a day of productivity, and I'm going to make to my goal. And if it happened that you didn't finish, it's okay. Pat yourself on the shoulder. Just pat yourself and say, you know what? You do good. Enjoy. You can get it tomorrow. So don't procrastinate it. Stop it. You have now 7 ways that you can stop procrastination. And to God's grace, we can get there. Okay? Together, we are stronger. I love you, and I thank you so much for being here. Please hit that subscription button, share this video with someone else, because it helped me to be accountable also. And I love to hear from you. Your comments make my day. Thank you, and see you next video. Ciao for now.